Welcome back to my Dubai adventure. In my last video, we explored the incredible Dubai Metro, rode through the sleek, air-conditioned trains, and arrived at the world-famous Dubai Mall. Now, it's time to dive deeper into the mall itself. So, let's take a closer look at what makes this place one of the largest and most luxurious shopping destinations in the world. The walkway from the metro station to Dubai Mall is around 1,000 meters, fully air-conditioned and spacious with bright lights. Along the pathway, you can see the city and even the skyscrapers lining side by side. There are flat escalators, which make the journey easier for many. You can get a taxi directly to the Dubai Mall from the metro station, which takes 3 minutes and costs around $3. By foot, it took me less than 10 minutes to reach the entrance of the mall. The Dubai Mall, part of the $20 billion downtown Dubai complex, is much more than just a shopping mall. With over 1,200 shops, 200 plus restaurants, and countless attractions, it draws over 54 million visitors every year. Opened in 2008, it's not just about shopping, it's about experiencing luxury, art, entertainment, and more all in one place. Let's start our tour. As we stroll through the mall, you'll notice the sophisticated design that integrates modern art, water features, and massive windows that let in plenty of natural light. The design creates an open, airy atmosphere. Whether you're here to splurge or window shop, the Dubai Mall offers an unmatched shopping experience. There are also large flagship stores, where you can find exclusive collections. Situated right next to the tallest building in the world, the Burj Khalifa, the mall's design mirrors Dubai's penchant for modernity and opulence. The architecture is sleek, expansive, and dramatic, with grand open spaces, fountains, and massive atriums, making it a visual feast at every turn.
from the mall, we get an unparalleled view of the Burj Khalifa, the tallest structure and building in the world since its completion in 2009. The skyline surrounding it is a stunning array of architectural masterpieces, with breathtaking skyscrapers lining the horizon. It's truly a sight to behold.
Now, let's take a look at one of the mall's major attractions, the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo. This massive tank, one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world, houses over 33,000 marine animals, including sharks and stingrays. The main tank is so large that you can view it from different levels, and it even features a glass tunnel, allowing you to walk right through the aquarium while being surrounded by marine life. You can see everything from the surface, but for an even closer experience, the Underwater Zoo offers interactive exhibits, where you can learn about different species from various ecosystems. Another remarkable feature of the Dubai Mall is the Human Waterfall, an impressive indoor cascade standing 24 meters tall, adorned with sculptures of divers seemingly leaping into the flowing water. This spot offers a stunning backdrop for photos. To enhance the experience, there's a charming cafe right next to the waterfall, perfect for a relaxing break. As we continue through Fashion Avenue, you'll encounter some of the world's most prestigious boutiques. This exclusive area showcases haute couture designers like Valentino, Dior, and Fendi. It's a haven for fashion enthusiasts eager to explore the latest collections and acquire unique luxury items. Even if luxury shopping isn't on your agenda, simply strolling through Fashion Avenue is an experience in itself. The ambience exudes elegance and sophistication, offering a glimpse into a world of style and refinement. What truly sets the Dubai Mall apart is its thoughtfully designed layout, spanning an incredible 1.1 million square meters. The mall features expansive open spaces, sleek corridors, and modern art installations. Highlights include the giant chandelier in the atrium and lush greenery, creating a harmonious blend of contemporary design and natural elements. One of the mall's most unique offerings is its dedicated floor of luxury designer shops exclusively for children. This is a rare feature that makes Dubai Mall stand out globally, a truly special touch that you'll find only here in Dubai. And that's a wrap on our tour of the Dubai Mall. Whether you're shopping, dining, or simply enjoying the sights, this place has something for everyone. But stay tuned because in my next video, I'll take you on a ride back to my hotel, showcasing the mesmerizing night views of this luxurious city. As we drive through the iconic streets of Dubai, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss part 3 of my Dubai adventure. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this tour, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment about your favorite part of the Dubai Mall. See you in the next video.